Thank you very much, friends, for clicking on the video. Now let's look at the question we have here on screen, friends. The question is saying that given that f of x is the same like x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2x and so on and so forth, it continues forever, friends. Now the question wants us to find f of 2024 times f prime of 2024. Great. Of course, we are in the year of 2024, right? Great. So friends, once again, just pause the video and give it a try, then unpause it to check out the solution. Done? Great. So friends, please, for a quick reminder, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button looking at you and press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload new content, guys, because we upload contents in this channel every day of the week. Every day we upload new contents in all the science and all the art subjects. So friends, you can afford to miss, just hit that subscribe button so that we are going to help you throughout your study of science and arts. So friends, let's dive straight into our problem today. As you can have the question here on screen, friends, let's have it again right here so that we can start seeing the solution. Great. So friends, to look for the value of f of 2024 times f prime of 2024. So guys, as you all know, it's so cheap, right? It's simply to put when x is 2024 and we differentiate, and we also put when x is 2024, right? And we multiply the two of them together. Of course not, guys. Of course not. That's not good. Okay, that's not good. So now we must look for a way that we can take out the path that keeps on going forever, because if we are to do this function, if we are to solve this question the normal way, guys, we are not going to end today. Okay, we won't end today. So we must look for a way that we can take out the function part that keeps on going forever. So friends, in this case now, I notice that all we can do is if we can call it equation 1, let's call this our original function equation 1. Friends, let's give the name equation 1. Then first, I notice that if we add x on both sides, the reason for adding x is that when we add x to the right hand side, we notice that we are going to have what, a 2x here, right, which is similar to what we have down here. Great. So friends, let's just give it a try and hope to have the best out of it. Great. So if we add it on both sides, we are going to have f of x plus x, which is the same like we have x plus the x we added, which is then plus all the function. We have plus 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2x and so on and so forth, guys. So if we simplify the right hand side, guys, we are simply going to have f of x plus x, which is the same like x plus x is 2x plus this our function part that keeps going forever. Great. So that's what we have now, friends. And what do we notice, friends? What do you notice? What do we notice, friends? Look at 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 2x plus dash dash dash. You can see that we can replace everything here with what? With the blue part, right? Do you see that 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2x, all this part from the plus sign we have coming to the right, it's exactly this blue part, friends. Do you see that this is exactly this blue part? Great. So, and it is simply the same like what we have, right? Great. So we can simply replace we can simply replace in this case our we can simply replace this 2x plus 1 over 2x plus that. We can simply replace all that with what? F of x plus x. Great. I hope you've noticed it, friends. I hope you've noticed it. That therefore implies we are simply going to have f of x to be the same like x. This is the x here, plus what we have here. Everything, guys, is simply what? Is simply our f of x plus 1, right? Then we have this 1 above, so we simply have 1 over f of x plus x. Good. So now, guys, if we send minus x to the left hand side, we are simply going to have f of x minus x, which is the same like 1 over f of x plus x. Great. So if we cross multiply now, we are simply going to have f of x minus x into f of x plus x, which is equal to 1. Great. Friends, at this point in time now, we recall that from the difference of two squares, we know that x minus y into x plus y is the same like what? X squared minus y squared. So if we do the same thing here, we are simply going to have f of x, all that squared, minus x squared, good, which is equal to 1. But the question wants us to get f of 2024 times f prime of 2024, right? So we are not going to differentiate because we need a derivative, we need the first derivative. So we differentiate, friends. We are going to have these two multiplying this our function, subtracting 1, then multiplying by the derivative of our f of x, which is the reverse chain rule. Then we are going to send x squared to the right hand side and we differentiate as well, friends. So in all, we are going to have 2f of x times the derivative of the input, which is what, f prime of x, which is the same like differentiating 1 gives us 0, differentiating minus x squared gives us negative 2x, goes to the right hand side and becomes 2x. So the 2 and the 2, friends, they can cancel on both sides. We are going to have f of x times f prime of x equal to x. Now all we need to do now is to substitute x when x is 2024, friends. We are going to have our f of 2024 times f prime of 2024, guys, which is x. What's our x? 2024. Great. So friends, the answer to this problem is simply 2024. Great. So friends, you see that this infinite function that kept on going forever and ever and ever actually has a value of 2024. So friends, put in the comment section down below what you think of it. Thank you very much for watching the video, friends. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and it took me a lot of time, guys, to actually figure out what this answer could be. It took me a lot of time, so please don't forget to give the video a like because it motivates me to keep producing more great content for you. Thank you very much, and have a great day.